Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. I'm welcoming you all on my channel Python with Priyanka. So let's begin with today's topic, and we are seeing today function arguments. Over here, like this is our last part of function, and we will see how function arguments works. So in function arguments, we are having four types of function argument. First one is positional argument. After that, default argument. We can also call it as keyword argument. After that, arbitrary positional argument. And the last one is arbitrary keyword argument. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's begin with first one. That is positional argument. So in positional argument, whenever you are passing any value, its position is predetermined. Okay, keep in mind its position is predetermined. So let's check it out. I have wrote over here, for positional argument, the argument need to pass at predetermined position. If not done so, the function will not work properly. Okay, so exactly like if you want to perform operation on two numbers, like any major number like higher side number or lower side number, then you have to give it predetermined position. Then and then only you can subtract or add, like from large number to small number. And if not done so, like it will give this output but with differ symbols like minus or maybe plus. Sometimes it will take some differ over there. Like we are taking over here simple example, like we have created one function that is difference, and with define keyword difference function we have created, and in parenthesis we pass large number and small number, after that colon, and we are simply storing its difference large number minus small number in this diff keyword, and we are returning it. That's it. Let's execute it, and let's execute this difference function. So this is how you can means create positional argument function, and this is how it executes. Like you have to keep in mind that you have to pass any values, but you have to predetermine its position. Like over here I have predetermined, like I am passing large number firstly and small number later. Like I can get positive difference only, I don't want any negative type of differ. That's why. Okay, moving forward, what is default argument or keyword argument? So in default argument, if you want to make any value default, like you are adding some values, you are keeping like four values, right? And you have made any one value like which predetermined, like 10, 12, 13, anything. Okay, so if the argument is not passed, it will take that default value that is given in that function. Okay, so here I have created function like addition underscore 1. Over here I'm passing a b c, and I'm predetermining this c equals to 12. So over here what I did, I have given predetermined value or default value to this particular c. After that I'm adding this 3 and store it into add keyword. After that I'm returning this add, and let's execute this function. Then we have simply taken this addition underscore 1, we have passed 2 value, and as I said, for C it will take this 12 only. Like we have given here default value, we haven't given any value, that's why it will take default value, and it will give this a correct answer like 10 plus 12 plus this 12. After that, if you will pass three values, like you will avoid that default value and try to make its addition, so it will exclude this and it will gives you particular answer with your values. Okay, so this is what the role of default argument. You can also call it as keyword argument. After that, moving forward, arbitrary positional argument. Over here, like this star args plays main role. With this star args, args, you can store multiple numbers of values as a tuple. Okay, here I have created one function with addition. I'm simply passing star args colon, after that printing that args. Let's check it out, and we are simply passing over here like function and some values in that. But what it will give us, it will give us simply tuple. We haven't mentioned any function over there what that how to do, like which function it have to perform, like addition, subtraction. That's why it is giving us simply tuple over there. But here we have tried to add those values, like we have created function with definition, sorry, addition. After that star args colon, we are simply saying total equals to 0. After that for I in these args colon, total equals to total plus I, means this total we are updating with this total, like 0 plus I, means it will every time goes in that args and means whichever second value it will consider it as I. After that means first I is 1, 0 plus 1 1. After that second I is 2, likewise, and then we are simply returning that total C, and we are printing it. It will give us addition of that particular value. Okay, so arbitrary positional argument have this star args keyword. You have to keep in mind that. Okay, after that arbitrary keyword argument. So here we have these two star k w args keyword argument. Like see, keyword arguments here args and keyword, it is combination of both word, like keyword argument. Here key kw for keyword and args for argument. Likewise, we are simply creating one function and we are printing it. We are passing one like tuple in that with some values, but it is giving us simply dictionary. Right now what we will do, we will give it to calculate what we want. We want some percentage of that value, so we are creating percentage function and we are passing over here formula, like sum of that keyword dot value. So you it have to take sum of these values and divide it by length of it and multiply it with 100. Okay, let's execute it. We have passed this all, means this formula in this percentage keyword, and we have written it. Okay, so whenever we will now print this percentage with that keyword arguments, like multiple of arguments, what it will do, it will take its addition values addition, divided it by length of it and multiply by it with 100, and this all whole is multiplied with 100 for calculating percentage. Okay, this is how it works. Now see, you will say like, what is difference between arbitrary positional argument and arbitrary keyword argument? Let me explain you. So in arbitrary positional argument, you can only pass values, right? Integer values or something, like means only one thing you can pass. But in arbitrary keyword argument, here we are mentioning physics is having 75, chemistry is having 82. Likewise, you can pass keyword and argument. That's why these are differ. Hope you understood today's function argument. Just go through it, try to means go through more example and get fair idea about it, and let's connect in next video with different topic. Till the time, keep learning, keep upgrading yourself. Thank you so much. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.